Viewers, this is really getting big. This is really getting big. You've heard.
To interrupt you, I think Navita ma'am has just walked in with papers in her hand. Yeah,
I want to drop everything. We've got some big stuff coming in.
Yes.
I've got a bag full of documents that we need to glean, make sense out of, sift through them. Get them in order before we can put them in a cogent manner for our viewers tonight. Pranesh, you know it all. You've got some. Just put it out.
So
Let's just hand it over.
Are you saying that you've got the entire file in your bag?
Yes.
Okay.
Do I ever
Pranesh,
let anybody down?
all right.
Well, sorry. I need to
I'll
go.
excuse both
Viewers,
of you. Yeah.
we're going to go. I'm going to hand you across to Pranesh. Pranesh is going to now bring out the insider who is going to confirm the use of drugs. This has not been heard before. Over to you, Pranesh.
Pranesh,
Thank you.
take care of the big breaking story till we get you
All
another
right,
lot.
viewers, we
on-
promised you
on
there is more
press.
stuff, and here's the confirmation. Navita Kumar has just walked in. Rahul is leaving the studio. They'll have to go through the documents before we put them out for you. But this news break that I'm talking about is the clincher. For the first time, after the drug disclosure expose on Times Now, you have an insider revealing everything. This testimony hasn't come out before. Everything, every bit of it that you saw on WhatsApp messages, now hear it from the person who's the real insider. No other channel has this insider account. Let's play this out. All right, we'll go to it in just a bit. But like we've been saying, through the prime time today, several more disclosures and exposes lined up. Times Now has... all right, I think I'm being told we can go to that insider account. Viewers, for the first time, this insider who knows everything is naming the people, telling us what they were up to. You can't miss this. Let's play this out.
Just wanted to ask you, basically ये जो पार्टी होती थी घर पे, तो what kind of a party was it यार? मतलब ऐसा मतलब what kind of a party was it? मतलब alcohol?
पहली बात तो कोई पार्टी तो होती भी नहीं थी. Okay, so it used to be basically just very few of us who used to just have some drinks together. Okay, and apart from that, I have also been seeing on the news ये जो पूरा drug angle हुए, मेरे सामने ऐसा कुछ भी नहीं हुआ है.
नहीं हुआ है क्या? ड्रग्स का कुछ नहीं हुआ है?
नहीं यार.
गांजा?
Like marijuana was yes, like everybody used to smoke weed.
अच्छा सर, smoke weed was the only thing that was taken. You're saying weed was taken मतलब?
Yeah.
अच्छा, Riya also?
Yeah.
अच्छा, और कौन लेके आता था ये?
यार अभी तो मतलब मेरे को भी आइडिया नहीं है, क्योंकि ऑनेस्टली मतलब कहीं से आता होगा, मेरे को भी नहीं पता.
पर मिरांडा का सेटिंग था मैंने सुना.
अब यार सिर्फ वहाँ पे होके अब कुछ ना कुछ तो they have ना, like people getting and all, but like I have no clue about all that.
अच्छा, बट मिरांडा का सेटिंग नहीं था क्या? दीपेश सावंत? दीपेश सावंत का तो लगता नहीं है. दीपेश सावंत नहीं लाता था ना?
दीपेश था ही नहीं जब मैं वहाँ पे थी.
अच्छा, तो मिरांडा ही करता था क्या? सैमुअल मिरांडा?
मतलब I guess so. I think so. I'm not sure.
You tell me one thing, that this thing जो basically ये जो drugs marijuana plus that medicine that was given, do you feel that can have a negative impact? Because you said कि उसको वो medicine से ही psychologically problems होते थे, तो ये drugs और उसका combination lethal होता होगा ना marijuana से?
ये सिर्फ I don't know. पिछले साल की बात है. अभी पिछले कुछ महीनों में क्या हुआ है वो मैं कैसे बताऊँ आपको?
हाँ,
I was not there.
वो भी है. But then is it was there anything else also, like cocaine ऐसा कोई Riya taking it ऐसे?
That's what I'm saying. In front of me, in fact, I was also quite shocked because I had always heard that, A-listers always do drugs and all that. ये सब चीज. But मैंने तो ऐसा कुछ देखा ही नहीं वहाँ पे.
पार्टी ड्रग्स, पार्टी ड्रग्स,
Usually, like, without only
पार्टी ड्रग्स,
nothing.
पार्टी जाते थे तो भी पार्टी ड्रग्स नहीं ली जाती थी, कैप्सूल वैप्सूल ये तो आजकल लेते ही है बॉलीवुड में.
जाते ही नहीं थे. जाते ही नहीं थे. सुशांत to hardly attend any parties. We used to be with Sushant. जो घर पे भी जो एक तरह से पार्टी नहीं होती थी घर पे, बस लाइक ऐसा होता था कि ओके चलो आज सबका आज मूड अच्छा है so let's just like have a few drinks and all. That's it.
Oh, so but though
We've gone to like one that too like they just left early, so ऐसा कुछ नहीं है.
no, because when I spoke to some other people, they were saying that there used to house parties also used to happen. तो उसमें थोड़ा बहुत मतलब ऐसे alcohol तो definitely was there, but then there was the drug was also a crucial factor. When it was there, it was very much part of the parties.
But who is telling you all this information?
हाँ वो भी है. नहीं बट अभी उसका नाम तो मैं तुम्हें नहीं बता सकता ना, बट मैं जनरली बता रहा हूँ कि ऐसे मैंने को पता चला था, इसके लिए मैं आई वाज ट्राइंग टू फाइंड आउट फ्रॉम यू. सो यू आर सेइंग दैट marijuana वाज देयर, बट marijuana के साथ जो मेडिसिन है उसका इम्पैक्ट हार्मफुल नहीं होगा कि ऐसे मतलब कुछ डाल दिया.
ले नहीं रहते. तब तो ले नहीं रहते हो मेडिसिन.
अच्छा तभी हाँ मतलब यू आर सेइंग कि टाइम गैप था दोनों के बीच में, मतलब ऐसे उसके वो marijuana की वजह से तबीयत खराब हुई ऐसा कुछ नहीं हुआ रहेगा? बस तुम्हारी भी हुई थी?
नहीं यार मेरे को तो एलर्जिक प्रॉब्लम्स है मेजर. मेरे को और नेक्स्ट हेल्थ इश्यूज है 2-3. तो वो उस टाइम पे जो भी आई थिंक स्ट्रेस वगैरह की वजह से कभी स्पाइक हो जाती है, तो वो होता रहता है मेरे को. मेरा तो अलग सीन है.
अच्छा, और तुम जो ये मेडिसिन बोल रही हो, तुमको ये मेडिसिन में गड़बड़ लगती है? फ्रैंकली बोलो, मेडिसिन में गड़बड़ लगती है? मतलब ऐसे कि हैवी डोज मेडिसिन, कुछ मेडिसिन से कुछ बाद में इट माइट लीड टू समथिंग एल्स, मेंटल इश्यूज, मेंटल प्रॉब्लम्स.
The thing is that these are medicines. जब इंसान बहुत बीमार होता है तो वो उनको वो वाले मेडिसिन देते हैं, ठीक है. बट लाइक when you are on those medications, you have to be very particular about what you eat and how much you rest and all that, because वो heavy होती है doses. अब मेरे को याद नहीं है ना, otherwise I would tell you the name of the medications. But like at that time the thing was that because he was not getting better, so medication was changing a lot.
और तुम जया सहाग को जानती हो क्या?
Jaya. When I was there, I've heard this name Jaya, but like if I'm not wrong, she was like some talent management.
Yes. She was with Kwon. Talent management.
Then I think I met her once.
Acha. So what was the relation between Riya and Jaya?
So because even Riya was managed by Kwon and Sushant was also being managed by Kwon. At a point of time. If I'm not wrong.
Yes.
So that's how they knew. They had come for a meeting once. So that like she and one more person, his name I forgot. But like basically.
Was it Gaurav?
The head. I can't remember the name.
Acha, but Riya took Sushant to Kwon?
Yeah, I don't know all this.
अच्छा, ये तुमको नहीं पता क्या सुशांत के?
हाँ मतलब मेरे को ये सब, क्योंकि अब ये तो श्रुति को पता होता है मोस्टली.
अच्छा, तो श्रुति ने ये डिसीजन लिया था? श्रुति हु वाज बेसिकली रिया के साथ जो थी, उन्होंने ये डिसीजन लिया था?
नहीं.
Times Now clincher after the drug disclosure, not just the WhatsApp chats, the insider testimony that lays bare everything. There can be no doubts after this arrest. Riya chorus will get louder after this. Arunil Saradetka, congratulations, is joining us live. Arunil, this is very big. This insider is confirming every bit of the conversation that Riya deleted but was retrieved by the agency, the WhatsApp chats that Times Now has accessed, Arunil.
Well, Pranesh, Times Now clearly leads in this investigation. If we look at it, it was Navika Kumar, our group editor, politics. She first uncovered the chats wherein it was clearly revealed how Riya Chakravarti was sourcing these banned drugs and were they administered to Sushant Singh Rajput. That also looks like a highly case considering her chat with Jaya Saha. And now we have an insider clearly confirming that how these drugs were taken, and also at Waterstone Resort as well, how Jaya and Riya had met once. There was a meeting that had happened and Sushant Singh Rajput had gone to sleep early, but the party continued at Waterstone as well, and precise mentions of drugs over there. Then why Riya Chakravarti repeatedly has said that she has never taken drugs? That is the big question that arises. Lie after lie being exposed by Times Now, and this is also one insider again confirming it.
Recap this piece of explosive information breaking first on Times Now, and this is another exclusive testimony that Times Now has accessed. What we now know is that Shruti, Riya and Jaya Saha got the drugs. Riya's father gave heavy medicines, viewers. Heavy medicines were given to Sushant Singh Rajput. The insider is saying this in as many words. Riya's father gave heavy medicines and the drugs were procured by the three individuals, Jaya Saha, Riya Chakrabarti and all the others involved, and they have been named in the WhatsApp messages. It began last evening with the Riya drug disclosure. We told you about the 4 drops of something, then 2 bags of wheat, 17,000 spent to procure them, the coded message that the dog is ready for adoption, and now this, the ultimate insider account that leaves nothing to doubt. All the names taken, all the claims proved. Part 2 of this conversation with this insider. Listen in.
She was a manager and like, she was managing the work and all that related. Also because she had that experience. She has been a manager at Goa like earlier. Then for some time she hadn't been working with them. She came in as a manager to Sushant. She was not there from an agency or anything.
Acha. But you tell me, this Jaya and Riya, they both you have done drugs together, matlab dope together?
अरे I'm telling you ना वहाँ पे नहीं था ऐसा scene. They just came like I have only met them once. They came to Waterstone one night, and even Sushant was sitting with them for some time, and then after that Sushant went out to sleep because he used to sleep early. And then like Jaya, Shruti and Riya were there. They continued. They were chilling.
Chilling? यही तो पूछ रहा हूँ, chilling क्या होता है? मतलब I know, मतलब what chilling is like marijuana.
And smoking.
अच्छा, अच्छा. And मतलब तुम वो basically वो Waterstone पे भी was there marijuana and other kind of drugs? I mean, you've seen कुछ ऐसा?
No other kind of drugs.
बट यहाँ पे जब भी Waterstone पे गए थे तभी सुशांत कंडीशन वाज बैड, वाज इट ओके?
I'll tell you क्या हो रहा था कि जो वहाँ पे था ना, जो बैनर वाला हाउस था वहाँ पे बहुत ज्यादा डस्ट का इशू हो रहा था, ठीक है, बहुत ज्यादा. So even after vacuuming this that कुछ फर्क नहीं पड़ रहा था. So that's why like for some time nobody like, even like, including me like मेरे को भी allergy problems हो रहे थे. Sushant was falling sick. Riya was also getting like all these allergic problems वहाँ पे. So then because we couldn't stay there, so that is why we moved, like, you know, for some time we had started staying in Waterstone till the time ये घर की पूरी deep cleaning वगैरह नहीं होता था. वही मतलब I'm telling you ना, वो थ्योरी के प्रमोशन के अराउंड काफी मतलब इधर उधर हो रहा था सब कुछ कि मतलब because he was also getting busy with the promotions and all that, and then मतलब पूरी घर का वैसा वाला सीन, तो फिर मूवमेंट तो हो ही रही थी इधर उधर।
यार तुमको सच बात बोलूं क्या, बेसिकली चैट में ऐसा भी आया है कि जया हैज आस्क्ड रिया टू मतलब पुट समथिंग इन टी ऑफ हिम इज मे बी सुशांत। तुमको लगता है कि ऐसा कुछ हुआ है? व्हाट डू यू थिंक?
बट नहीं, तो उससे पहले क्या था? कुछ लिखा था उससे पहले कि किस चीज की बात हो रही है।
अच्छा उसके पहले, हाँ दैट इज ऑल्सो क्रूशियल थिंग।
वही तो, लाइक उससे पहले क्या था? वी डोंट नो इट, आई कांट लाइक। अब मेरे को क्या पता? इनफैक्ट मेरे को तो आई हैव मेट जया वंस, ओके, व्हाटएवर पीपल यूज्ड टू कम नो, वी यूज्ड टू हार्डली हैव, लाइक द रेस्ट ऑफ द टीम यूज्ड टू लाइक हैव वेरी शॉर्टर meeting times with them. We used to be around, but we used to not always be chatting with everybody. Especially like you know, in our case, like we used to try to keep it low key, because अगर like industry related लोग आ रहे तो नहीं होती थी इतनी ज़्यादा बात.
But Jaya and Riya were very close friends, because as you mentioned, when Sushant went to sleep early, these guys continued, so they were very thick friends.
I'm not sure after how long they met though. I have only met her once, so.
But they seemed very good friends. I mean, close friends.
Like that day they were fine. They were like friends. But they were also like, you know, because maybe because the association with Kumar and all that since so many years or whatever. I don't know.
और ये basically when Marwan was खुद तो रिया नहीं लाती होगी, तो फिर who was the in charge of this? Samuel Miranda? Or anybody used to just score and get it?
मतलब in charge mainly I think like Miranda only used to get. But there was a time when Miranda also was not there in between. But I used to not ask कि कौन ला रहा है.
हाँ वो भी है.
But that was also like that was just Riya's call, like for sure. Like if this is trying to go in that angle.
But do you think that other kind of drugs also must have been experimented?
Yeah, see, if they were doing all this like in their own like you know privacy, then I have no clue. But मेरे सामने ऐसा कुछ था नहीं, तो मैं इसके बारे में कुछ बोल भी नहीं सकती.
नहीं बराबर, exactly यार, बराबर बोल रहे हो तुम.
We promised you that this will get bigger, that the investigation on Times Now, the disclosure, the expose will change the course of the Sushant investigation. And viewers, it is beginning to show. All the agencies are picking up leads from the Times Now expose. But there is more lined up. You saw how Navika walked in with bag full of documents. Rahul had to go out. They are discussing when to do it, what to bring out. All that is coming up on Times Now. Please don't go away. A short break. We are back to this.